Y'all, this is my rosemary. It's quite large, and I've already cut a lot off of it. Actually, you can tell I've been cutting from the back here, but it's a pretty good size shrub, and I need to make use of it. While I've already got a lot stockpiled in my pantry, I need to make use of this. So I'm going to dehydrate a lot of it up and put it in my chicken feed, and I'll tell you why. There's many benefits of rosemary for humans. Memory and concentration is one of them. The aroma alone can improve focus and alertness. It also has antioxidant powers. It has anti-inflammatory relief and is often used in teas and salves, and it helps reduce joint pain and inflammation. It's great for arthritis sufferers. It stimulates digestion and eases bloating or indigestion. It also has immune support. Its antibacterial and antiviral properties help fight colds, flu, and other infections. It's great for hair growth and scalp health. Used as a rinse or an oil, rosemary is known to stimulate hair growth and soothe dry, flaky scalps. It's a natural cleaner and air freshener, and it's used in cleaning sprays or simmer pots. It purifies the air and surfaces naturally, leaving behind a fresh scent. There are many benefits to giving rosemary to your chickens. It acts as a natural insect repellent for both mites, lice, and fleas when it's sprinkled in their nesting boxes or their coop bedding. Internally, it's believed to help discourage internal parasites, although it's not a dewormer on its own. It has strong essential oils that can clear sinuses and support healthy breathing. It's especially useful when your birds are confined in spaces during the cold months. It helps support the chicken's immune systems by fighting harmful gut bacteria without disturbing the good gut flora. It's a great addition during times of seasonal change, stress, or after introducing new flock members. The scent of rosemary can have a calming effect on chickens, especially in their nesting boxes. It can help reduce squabbles and encourage laying. Like humans, rosemary can stimulate digestion, reduce gas buildup, and help chickens get more out of their feed. When rosemary is dehydrated and sprinkled into bedding or coop corners, it helps keep things smelling fresh and deters pests at the same time. To use dehydrated rosemary for chickens in their feed, you just crush it and you sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons per cup of feed, or blend it with other herbs like oregano and thyme for a super boosted mix. In nesting boxes, crumble it into the nesting box straw or shavings. In a dust bath mix with ash, DE, and sand for a pest fighting spa treatment.